Today is April 10, 2024. We're looking at SPY. And today there was a big sell-off. Had a huge gap down in the morning. And if you look at the daily bar, it tested the low, even tested the low of last Thursday's bar, the low, but it didn't close below Thursday's bars, the low. It didn't close, last Thursday's low. It's still, trading within the inside bar. No breakout yet. So when bears, stop selling, it might turn around. That's one scenario. Or tomorrow, we have its PPI data. It might continue to sell. So I see resistance. 50-day moving average should be a strong support right here. I see 50-day moving average strong support. But anyway, for today, since it gapped down, I missed the big short. I missed all the fall. What I did was to go long. So again, always my favorite indicators: 5-day moving average and 1 minute, 2 minute time frames. I always use for trading every day. Look at today. It did go back to test 5-day moving average, but not exactly, but close enough, right? It don't have to be exact number. So that's good. It did test in 1 day and 2 day, 1 minute and 2 minute. Yeah, for 1 minute and 2 minute, I always use 50 moving average cross 200 moving average, either up or down. So today it happened. If you look at the 1 minute chart, it happened. 1 minute time frame, 50 moving average cross above 200 moving average. So it finished the I would call it retracement. So let's look at the retracement for 5 minutes today. So I had a retracement 50%. That's pretty good retracement, right? With the gap still not filled yet. In the morning it went up to 50% retracement and then came back down, and then the rest of the day just winding coil. The range is tight. So for now, the support and resistance for 5 minute chart, as long as it stays below 200 moving average on 5 minute chart, is still bearish. Once 50 moving average cross above 200 moving average on 5 minute chart, that is bullish. That's how I define. Make it simple, very easy, straightforward. No need to look at too many indicators to confuse you. Of course, you still have to do your homework allowances on other things, but this is sort of give you a good signal what you should do. Like today, I use 1 minute, 2 minute to go long. Let me show you my trades. This is E-mini ES futures. So yeah, that's what I did. All the trades here, you can see it. I pretty much I go long all day today. I didn't go short because in my mind I was thinking it's already overshoot. It's already oversold too much, so it shouldn't drop that much. And also there's another signal too for the SPY. Even it tested the low 1, 2, 3, 4 times here, but still, you know, it was able to close back to this one, last Thursday's bar close above, still close above. So that means that's a strong sign of, you know, people, you know, buying at the bottom. And also for the today's SPY, the low, it didn't test the futures low. The futures low is even lower than the SPY's low. That's another good sign. Bullish, temporary. So just temporarily bullish. So for now, we have to look at tomorrow. See, hopefully it will have a retracement for the SPY, a little bit more. All depends on PPI data. And look at the 15-minute chart on the SPY, the 15-minute chart. Now it's trading below the triangle. It broke the triangle pennant. Will it go back inside tomorrow? We will see. And don't forget, there's a gap unfilled. There's still a gap right here. Still 50%, you know, gap not filled. So wait for it, see it will be filled, or we'll go further down. For tomorrow, you know, with support, look at it. Support should be the 50 DMA. The 50, you know, moving average should be a good support. We're looking at the SPY daily chart. Looking at the Bollinger Band. Yeah, it looks like, you know, today almost touched the lower band of Bollinger Band. So it might continue. So another support is the Bollinger Band. The lower Bollinger Band, and below is a 50-day moving average. So we've got two strong support lines for tomorrow. Let's see, you know, these two levels will hold. And also, you know, still within the inside bar of last Thursday, there's another, you know, support. Let's see, you know, we're gonna look at futures now. Yeah, we're looking at the futures, the E-mini, yes. Yeah. So today, you know, a big sell-off. I didn't do anything, and it has a huge drop. So I woke up this morning, I saw the long opportunities. So let's look at the futures chart. Look at ES. So almost hit 50-day moving average. So that's a strong support sign right there. For the SPY, we just look at the SPY, right? The SPY low is not the same as the futures low. The SPY didn't test the low of the ES low. Still few points, about a few points away. So that was another good sign, being, you know, bullish temporarily. And look at 240-minute chart on the right hand side. Now it's totally, you know, lower low, lower high. It's forming lower low, lower high. It's quite bearish. Look at the 240-minute chart here. Looks like the 50 moving average will cross 200 moving average on 240-minute chart. What does it mean? That means it has to go lower in order for the 50 to cross 200 downward. So maybe give it, you know, a couple more days to finish the cycle. You have to go long, you know, just be careful. And look at today's, you know, trading here. Another sign I see. This is the first hour, I think 5:30, right? When the data release, there's a huge drop. So I was in bed again, sleeping. I missed this one totally. For the second bar, it didn't go below the previous bar. There's no follow through. It didn't even test the low of previous bar. This is a sign of bullish, typical, you know, bullish pattern. If you look at 5-minute chart, yeah, you look at RSI on the 5-minute, it's oversold. It's in the oversold area for about 1 hour. And if you look at the price action, look at this one here. There's a tapering. I see tapering. You know, I know it's a little bit subjective, but you have to see it, feel it. All these signs, you know, pointing, you know, bullish. So that's how I, you know, go long for the rest of the day. I go long, and also based on the SPY chart too, based on the 1 minute and 2 minute and 5-day moving average on the SPY. So pretty much, you know, whatever I set in the SPY charts, the same as here, apply to ES. So wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is another big day. Let's look at Bollinger, see if we see anything. Yeah, for the Bollinger here, look at it today. Another, you know, big sign for bullish. That's another reason why I go long pretty much all day. Yeah, hit the lower band of Bollinger, it bounced. That's another good sign. But again, the 240-minute chart, you have to pay attention. You know, looks pretty bearish. Let's see how, for the retracement, let's see how far it will go up. I would pay attention to the 5-day moving average. I think it will be tested. Hopefully it will be tested. That's the line, 52.32. If it doesn't get tested, then, you know, pay attention to below. Support should be 50-day and lower band of Bollinger. Lower band of Bollinger. Also, it's a good support. This is a support. Again, you know, today's bar is closed within the inside bar of Thursday. Last Thursday, so it's another sign. You know, it's still trading within the inside bar. Okay, good luck on your trading tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.